How to recover disabled Facebook account. First of all, let's navigate and open a web browser on your phone and search for disable Facebook recover, then wait for the search results. Once you get the search results, tap on my personal Facebook account is suspended or disabled. It will redirect you to the Facebook Help Center. At the bottom, tap on No button and then select Other in the reason list. You will see a text box that will allow you to write Facebook support team for an appeal. Explain the problem in detail and then enter your email or phone number associated with your disabled account. Next, enter your full name exactly as it appears on your Facebook profile. Once done, tap on Submit to send your appeal. Now wait for Facebook response. It may take a few days, so check your email for any update. If your account was disabled by mistake, Facebook will help you to restore it. And that's it. This is how you can recover a disabled Facebook account. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.